Hey everyone, it's Blake with FishBait. In this video, I'm going to walk through installing Microsoft SQL Server 2022 Developer Edition. I'll start with where to download it and end with installing SQL Server Management Studio. Let's get started. Alright, so to get started, we will go to the Microsoft website and we will download SQL Server 2022. So on the website, we are going to scroll down a little bit and you'll notice that there's a developer option here. The developer option you can use for free as long as you're using it for development and test databases in a non-production environment. So as long as you follow those rules, you can use it without any issues. Otherwise, you need to get a paid version of SQL Server 2022. We'll go ahead and click on download. You can see it downloads a small executable file. We'll go ahead and select to open that, and that will launch the installation wizard. And from here you have three different options. We have basic, custom, and download media. I'm going to just choose basic. This will do the default installation with just the database engine. If you want to click on custom, you can see all the different options that'll be presented to you there. Once we select basic, we're given the license terms. We'll go ahead and accept that and then start the installation with the default settings. From there, it will start downloading the installation package. So this can take a little while as it downloads. Obviously, this will be different depending on your internet speed. And once it successfully downloads the files, it will automatically run into the installation. So you can see now it's extracting the setup files and it will start going through the install. All right, and once it's completed, we'll get the message saying it completed successfully. You can see the instance name and all the other information. And now we want to install SSMS, or SQL Management Studio. So we're going to go out to the website. After clicking on the link, we will click to download SQL Server Management Studio version 19. That will start a download. And after clicking on it, it can take a little while to pop up, as you can see, but we're going to go ahead and click on Install. And now it will start installing SQL Server Management Studio. And once it's completed and gives you the message, you can then close it. We'll go ahead and close the Developer Edition installation as well. And now we'll go ahead and open SQL Management Studio. And sometimes take a little while to launch. This is pretty common. But we're going to validate that we can connect to SQL Server with it. So we'll go ahead and hit connect. It already had our credentials and the server information in there. If we go to properties for the SQL Server, we can see what version is installed, what edition, and we're going to adjust the memory so it doesn't max out our server. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and until next time, keep fishing.